Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find General Management. Then let's scroll down and localize Reset option. Scroll down again to localize mobile network settings and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Normally those options are kind of fused, so we've got only one option regarding the network preferences. However, here they are splitted and everything works the same. So let's simply tap on it and tap on Reset Settings. Let's confirm it with our pattern and tap on Reset. And we've got this information. The same situation will be in the Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Just tap on it and tap on Reset Settings, and we've got this information. So overall, by using those two options, we've got the network preferences reset completely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.